Power. It's a word that resonates with a strange allure, whispered in hushed tones or declared with a thunderous roar. It's a force that shapes our world, from the grand stage of international politics to the seemingly insignificant interactions of our daily lives. But what does it truly mean to possess power? And more importantly, what does power do to the very fabric of our brains? Does it corrupt, as Lord Acton famously warned, or does it simply reveal the pre-existing fault lines within our neural pathways? The human brain, for all its complexity, is remarkably susceptible to change. It is a malleable organ shaped by experience and sculpted by the environments we inhabit. Power, it seems, is one such force capable of molding our neurobiology, altering our perceptions, and ultimately influencing our behavior. Power, in its essence, is the capacity to influence or direct the behavior of others. It is woven into the very tapestry of human existence, manifesting in countless forms. We see it in the boardroom, where a CEO's decisions can shape the livelihoods of thousands. We witness it in the courtroom, where a judge's verdict can alter the course of a life. And we experience it in our personal relationships, where subtle power dynamics influence our interactions with friends, family, and colleagues. From the subtle cues of body language to the overt displays of dominance, power permeates our social structures. It is a force that both fascinates and repels us, a double-edged sword that can be wielded for good or ill. But, regardless of its manifestation, power leaves its mark, not just on the world around us but also on the intricate wiring of our brains. The human brain is a marvel of complexity, a network of billions of neurons connected by trillions of synapses. It is within this intricate web that the effects of power are etched, subtly altering our neural circuitry and influencing how we perceive and interact with the world. One key area of interest lies in the mirror neuron system, a collection of brain cells that fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else performing that same action. Studies suggest that individuals in positions of power exhibit reduced activity in their mirror neuron systems. This diminished activity may explain why powerful individuals often struggle to empathize with others. With their mirror neuron systems firing less frequently, they are less able to understand and share the emotional states of those around them. This lack of empathy can have profound implications, leading to a disconnect between the powerful and the powerless. Power, it seems, can be intoxicating. As individuals ascend to positions of authority, they often undergo a subtle but significant psychological shift. This transformation, known as hubris syndrome, is characterized by an inflated sense of self-importance, a diminished capacity for empathy, and a disregard for the consequences of one's actions. Individuals afflicted by hubris syndrome often display a remarkable lack of self-awareness. They become convinced of their own infallibility, dismissing dissenting opinions and surrounding themselves with sycophants who reinforce their distorted view of reality. This dangerous cocktail of arrogance and unchecked power can have devastating consequences, as history is replete with examples of leaders whose hubris led to disastrous decisions.